Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to hire a website developer for your build your website. This is a freelancing marketplace, Fiverr. Fiverr is a there are lots of website developer for build your website and your website redesign, designing, speed up, everything you can do from here. So there are so many experts for build your website, and also there are so many options. You can select category: WordPress development, custom website development, software development, website design, website application, everything you can select for your website. And there are service option. You can website type, your service, business type, e-commerce store, landing page, blog. There are 50 modes and anything, dropshipping website, everything you can select for build your website. And you can select seller details. You want level 1 seller, new seller, or level 2 seller, or top rate seller, anything you can select. And also you have budget 150 or mid range budget 105 to 175, or high range 175 to above, or custom you have only $50. You can select only $50. You can find $50 website developer for build your website. So there are so much easy for build your website. And their delivery time, you can select express 24 hours. You want only within 24 hours in build your website. You can select them and you can find a website developer for develop your website within 24 hours, and up to 3 days and up to 7 days, or anytime you can select anything and apply for build your website. And there are so many experts for build your website. You can select WordPress website or any CMH. You can contact with anyone. So there are so many options. There are so many experts for you develop your website. So I open a, yes, his name is RFN. He's a top rated freelancer and he is rating a 4.9 rating, 330 reviews he have. And he will do WordPress website design and development that fits your budget. And his basic price only $100. He will develop a get basic website with 1 to page, including necessary feature and functionality, within 1 day delivery. And within he will develop one website 1 to page within 1 day delivery and unlimited division. So this is very cheapest and very professional. He already completed with 330 reviews and 5 stars rating. His standard price 250 and his premium price 450. So there are another one. His name is Akib. He completes 603 reviews and 4.9 rating, level 2 seller, and 7 out of 10. He designed premium WordPress website with DB, Astra, or Elementor Pro. He'll develop his Astra or DB or Elementor Pro. His basic price 130. So before placing order, you can contact with him. How many budget you have? How many budget? How can he help you? There are contact me option. So you, before placing or contact, you can contact with him. Then he will help you to build. How can what's your website building and how can he help you? There are so many options: WordPress website developer, Wix website developer, and anything you can build your website for any vendor. So there are so many options. I hope you find your website developer to you build your team website. So this is so nice and so much amazing for your business. So I hope you understand. You can hire for building your website and you can take properly. So I hope this video will help you. I'll add this link on my description below. You can contact with them and this page is available for building hire with website developer. So I hope you understand this video. If it will help you, please like, share and subscribe our video. I will share every day is valuable content for you. Thank you so much.